guys, we just started and this is the game I've been waiting. I'm gonna play it again, guys. I'm gonna play it again. Okay, guys. I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna play the KJ game again. Servers. Okay, we are in the server. Oh, don't mind me. It's actually my voice since I started the video. Okay, let's join. This is my own private server. You know the deal. Put your username in the comment. And I'm actually gonna do it this time. Gonna do something like the rich, like the other YouTubers. You know the deal. Click that subscribe button to get to this, but that's not real. Do not believe. As now we know. If you want to subscribe, okay, you can look at this. This is the game again. After that is the game I played yesterday. Oh, is there a new character? No, no. Wait, guys, wait.
Ba't mo kasi nilak? Ba't mo kasi nilak?
Sorry, that's just my cousin. No, press me. Here we go. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Finally, we got the castle. Done. First time. Whoa, what the? It's after the video. Now let's go back. Do not do this to me, Gabby.
Ikaw magbukas, ikaw nag-lock.
Okay, here we go. It's the mama cousin. Wait a minute. Whoa! You can do this in the corner. Now press. Here we go. Okay, guys. When my old video, bro. Yeah, I have to chat in this game. If you are the owner, you will see something. Whoa! Wait a minute. Let's try to do this. You can. So just don't do this. Bro. You are a nigga. Just kidding. Do not ban me, please. Do not ban me. Let me show you. With the bald hero. Yeah, his name's Bald Hero. What the? They are the same. Yes, what that's me. Yeah. Boom, got it. Yeah. Lasagna. Never. I found some other KJ games. Let me just show you one of them when I'm done. Let's just punch this. Wait, because wait, what here we go again, guys. This is dumb. Here we go. I'm on the ground, what the? What just happened? Now I know. Now we're going third floor. KJ. Wait, let me do something. If you wanna punch the weakest dummy, you gotta need to do this. Look. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna show you it. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna. Or let me just do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, next day, I'm gonna post like